everyone. In this video, we will take about relevant aspect of the Rome Stat and the International Criminal Court. First, the Rome Stat did mainly promise the peace, security, and self of mankind. The jurisdiction of the International Criminal Court, which this state supports the following crimes. Number one, the crime of genocide. Number two, crimes against humanity. Number three, war crimes. Number four, the crime of aggression. In the same way, how important in the International Criminal Court? For the worst international crimes such as genocide crimes against humanity, war crimes, and the crime of aggression do you not go unpunished, and thus deter potential crimes. That is an important single used by the International Criminal Court. When does in the International Criminal work? The International Criminal Court does not replace the work of national courts, but really complements it. The International Criminal Court begins and procedure only with a country does not war or is not in the position to prosecute the acts for competition. Its jurisdiction extends to everyone, but in practice it is still somewhat limited.
Continuing with the theme, relationships of the court with the United Nations. The court will be linked to the United Nations by an agreement be approved by the Assembly of States Parties to this statute and then concluded by the President of the Court on behalf of the latter. Legal status and powers of the Court. The Court will have international legal personality. It will also have the legal capacity that is necessary for the performance of its functions and the fulfillment of its purpose. The Court may exercise its functions and powers in accordance with the provisions of this statute in the territory of any state's party and by special agreement in the territory of any other state. Imprescriptibility. Crimes wherein the jurisdiction of the court will not prescribe. Going back to the subject of the Rome Statute crimes, genocide. For the purpose of the statute, genocide shall mean any of the acts mentioned below, perpetrated with the intention of totally or partially destroying a national, ethnic, racial, or religious group as such. Number 1. Killing of group members. Number 2. Serious injury to the physical or mental integrity of the group members. Number 3. Intentional submissions of the group to condition of existence that must carry their physical destruction total or partial. Number 4. Measures to prevent bears wiring the group. Number 5. Forcibly transferring children for the group to another group. Crimes against humanity. For the purpose of this statute, crime against humanity means any of the following acts when committed as part of a generalized or systematic attack against a civilian population or with the knowledge of said attack. Number 1. Murder. Number 2. Extermination. Number 3. Slavery. Number 4. Deportation or forced population transfer. Number 4. Imprisonment or the serious deprivation of physical liberty in violation of regulation fundamentals of international law. Number 5. Torture. Number 6. Rape, sexual slavery, forced prostitution, forced pregnant, forced sterilization, or any other form of sexual violence of comparable severity. Number 7. Persecution of a group or group with its own identity based on political, racial, national, ethnic, cultural, religious, gender motives defined in paragraph 3 of the reason universally recognized as unacceptable under international law in connection with any acts mentioned in this paragraph or with any crime with the jurisdiction of the court. Number 8. Forced disappearance of person. Number 9. The crime of apartheid. Okay, it continues. The biggest example for these crimes are